Hey, welcome back to L Dubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're not, thanks for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking all things stock market. We're also talking what is Cathie Wood buying. And if you want to have more videos about stocks and cryptocurrency, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Alrighty, jumping straight in. Let's have a look at the market today. Definitely a better day than yesterday. Tesla in the dark green. Looks like technology led the way, along with finance, healthcare, industry, energy, materials. Looks like it was a great day. Obviously looking at real estate and obviously utilities. Looks like it definitely had a correction there. Obviously it has seen some great gains over the last few days, but obviously this is just an overall view of the market. Let's get into it. Welcome back. S&P futures 0.24% down. Dow is showing 0.15. Nasdaq is showing 0.26 down. Russell 0.5 down. Crude is showing 0.34, and gold is obviously showing a 0.04 increase in the futures. Jumping straight in, Cathie Wood is loading up on these 4 tech stocks for 2021. Cathie Wood, the founder of ARK Invest, is taking Wall Street by storm for her unconventional thematic investing strategy. To be sure, 5 out of the 6 ARK's ETF posted more than 100% returns last year alone. Her fund saw a massive inflow of $20.6 billion according to the data from Morningstar Portfolio Insider at Nasdaq. Recently, Wall Street saw a heavy rotation into value stocks, but don't count on Cathie Wood as one of them. Instead, she's doubling down her bets on innovation companies. The benchmarks are filling up the value traps due to the pace of innovation in fields including artificial intelligence, robotics, Cathie said. We think the big risk in the benchmarks are not what you're doing. We think the big risk is in the benchmarks, not what we're doing. Billionaire Cathie Wood predictions are most followed because of her historic returns in the past 3 years, with her picks soaring many times above their original share prices. Case in point last year, Miss Wood's ARK Genomic Revelation ETF, ARK Innovation ETF, and ARK Next Genomics ETF reaped returns of 159%, 203%, and 157% respectively. Full disclosure, I own 2 of these ETFs. They do have high management fees, but with those sort of returns, how can you go wrong? Not financial advice, just telling you what I am doing. Jumping straight in, Coinbase or Coin Ticker. Surely Cathie Wood is bullish on cryptocurrency. She has been buying hand over fist in the largest cryptocurrency exchange and digital wallet service provider, Coinbase. On the day when Coinbase made its public debut, ARK Invest scooped up 749,000 shares. A few days later, it added another 340,000 shares worth nearly $112 million. Never shy from making bold predictions, Wood believes that digital wallets can develop into the most valuable technology of this era, pointing out its unprecedented speed of organic growth. Digital wallets could become the most valuable technology developments per user of almost anything. We're pretty excited about that. If you were to draw a graph, as we did in our big ideas showing how JP Morgan got to those levels, it was one acquisition after another, whereas Cash App and Venmo, because they are viral in nature, haven't gotten there organically. The digital wallet payment have surpassed the physical card for usage at contactless in-store payment at the point of sale in 2020. According to the Global Payments Report, plus in-store cash payments fell almost 50% in 2020 in advanced economies. Unity Share, a real-time 3D development platform, Unity Software is trading at a bargain basement price in Cathie Wood's view. She has been boosting her Unity share over the past 2 months as the stock fell 34% year-to-date. Despite the recent sell-off, the company's future fundamentals look strong based on the revenue growth predictions. Unity Software expected 2021 revenue in the range of $950 billion to $970, in line with the company's plan of sustaining 30% revenue growth in the long-term run. As the leader in creating and operating tools for the world of 3D printing, we continue to invest in the sustainable opportunity ahead in 2021 and years behind, I quote. Shopify. Woods believes that Shopify can be a big online retailer like Amazon someday. As a result, Cathie Wood saw the dip in Shopify stock as a buying opportunity. Her firm added to his existing take in e-commerce platform last week, according to the Portfolio Insider. We're trying to figure out how Amazon is going to deal with this notion of individuals seeing something on Instagram or elsewhere on Facebook or Twitter or Snap and just buying it there. There's a Shopify-enabled commerce opportunity, and we think it's going to be big. Recently, Shopify's stock price pulled back slightly from its recent all-time high of $1,500 that had hit early in February. Regardless of the short-term price movement, Shop stock price upside is likely to be tightly wounded to the growth trend. So far, so good. Shopify's fourth quarter revenue jumped 94%, while 2020 revenue surged 86%. C. Cathie Wood has also been on a shop spree with Sea Limited this year. The best lure of Sea Limited is how they can integrate dozens of their businesses into each other. Sea Limited has tentacles in esports, mobile gaming, e-commerce, digital payments, and food delivery services. And the company is arguably expanding its market penetration outside its own country of China, especially in Latin America and Southeast Asia. These segments have generated triple-digit growth for Sea Limited. As a result, its consolidated revenue grew more than 100% in 2020 and is expected to extend the momentum into 2021. Cathie Wood's first initial opposition in Sea during the first quarter of 2019, and she has only continued to add over the time, guys. Right, so are you guys buying any of those stocks? Looks like we need to look into those. If you want me to do a video on those stocks to get some more details, please let me know. So guys, if you like this content, please do not forget to like, sub, and share. Please don't forget to use the links in the description. It really does help out the channel, guys. I'll see you next time.